Want to surprise your friends with a game? Here's a full step-by-step guide on how to gift games on Steam. Step 1. Open the Steam app or website and find the game you want to gift. Click Add to Cart like you're buying it for yourself. Step 2. Instead of Purchase for myself, select Purchase as a gift. You'll see your Steam friends list pop up. Choose a friend to send the game to. If your friend isn't on Steam yet, no worries. You can enter their email address instead. They'll get an email with instructions to claim the gift. Step 3. Add a personal message if you want, like a birthday wish or a simple "enjoy the game." Then proceed to checkout and complete the purchase. Once purchased, your friend gets a notification or an email. They can accept the gift and start downloading right away. Remember, you can only gift games to friends in supported regions. And that's it. Easy and fun. Follow Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step gaming tips.